The Chase Sapphire Preferred, the most recommended travel credit card that unlocks unlimited points redemption potential for a measly $95 annual fee. Just got a once-in-a-lifetime sign-up bonus offer that you don't want to miss out on. And in this video, I'll be breaking down everything you need to know about the Chase Sapphire Preferred so that you can apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred yourself and unlock that unlimited points redemption potential that I just talked about. All right, let's begin. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred is Chase's mid-tier travel credit card and the cheapest way to unlocking a coveted credit card issuer's transfer partner list. The reason why I want to reiterate this point is because unlocking a coveted credit card issuer's transfer partner list is equivalent to unlocking hundreds if not thousands of dollars in points redemption potential that you wouldn't have otherwise been able to do unless you had a travel credit card, such as going and staying at this luxury resort in Hawaii without having to pay a dime. And I'll explain what I mean by that later on in this video. The new sign-up bonus offer that is currently being offered in branch is a 80,000 point offer after spending $4,000 within the first 3 months of account opening, plus an additional 10,000 point offer after spending a total of $6,000 within the first 6 months of account opening, totaling up to a massive 90,000 ultimate reward point sign-up bonus offer. Moving on with ways to earn, the Chase Sapphire Preferred earns ultimate reward points, and that's 5x total points on travel purchases through Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal, which is Chase's own travel portal, 2x points on other travel related purchases, which in the fine details mean things like ferries, campgrounds, cruise lines, airlines, hotels, and taxis, 3x points on dining including eligible delivery services, takeout and dining out, 3x points on online grocery store purchases excluding Target, Walmart, and wholesale clubs like Costco, 3x points on select streaming services, and then also the 1 point per dollar spent on all other eligible purchases. And giving a quick comparison to other mid-tier travel credit cards within the credit card world, you can see that in terms of points earning potential, I would put the Chase Sapphire Preferred in the middle of the pack. Moving on, with travel credit cards comes additional benefits to help entice you to apply for the cards or to keep the card for years. And with the Chase Sapphire Preferred, it definitely doesn't lack at all in this category, so let's take a look at everything that the Chase Sapphire Preferred provides. First, the Chase Sapphire Preferred offers a $50 statement credit each account anniversary for hotel stays that are purchased through Chase's Ultimate Travel Portal. If you use this credit every single year, it would effectively make the annual fee only $45 per year. Additionally, after each account anniversary, you'll also earn an extra 10% bonus points based on your total spending made in the previous year. So for example, if you spend $50,000 last year with the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you get an additional 5,000 bonus points. Additionally, under partner benefits, you can also earn 5x points on Lyft rides through March 31st, 2025, which is 2 whole years from now, a 6-month complimentary Instacart subscription, and a $15 statement credit each quarter through July 2024, a complimentary DoorDash Dash Pass, which is a membership for both DoorDash and Caviar that unlocks $0 delivery fees and lower services fees on eligible purchases for a minimum of 1 year when you activate it by December 31st, 2024, and a GoPuff $10 monthly statement credit. And moving over to Chase's transfer partners, this is definitely where the Chase Sapphire Preferred becomes interesting. For $95 every single year, you unlock 14 different transfer partners. That's 11 airlines and 3 hotel transfer partners. Airline transfer partners include Aer Lingus, Air Canada, British Airways, Emirates, Air France, Iberia, JetBlue, Singapore, Southwest, United, and Virgin. And for hotel transfer partners include IHG, Marriott, and Hyatt. A lot of amazing transfer partners that can guarantee a ton of free airline and hotel bookings if you know where to look. And since the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a travel credit card at the end of the day, it's only fitting that it covers a bunch of travel and protection coverages, such as trip cancellation / interruption insurance, which reimburses up to $10,000 per person or $20,000 per trip. Primary rental collision damage waiver, which provides reimbursements in case of theft and collision damage. Baggage delay insurance, which accounts for $100 per day for 5 days. Trip delay reimbursement, where travel delayed for more than 12 hours, you're covered for meals and lodging, as well as $500 per ticket. Travel and emergency assistance services, purchase protection for up to 120 days against damage and theft for up to $500 per claim, and $50,000 per account, and extended warranty protection, which extends warranties that are 3 years or less by an additional year. So after everything that we've covered so far, I don't have to convince you that the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a great travel credit card that's filled to the brim with tons of different benefits. But let's transition and talk about who I'd recommend this credit card for. So first, I wouldn't consider the Chase Sapphire Preferred to be an endgame card. There's a ton of different premium travel credit cards out there with better benefits and higher annual fee costs. But I definitely recommend this card for those of you out there that don't travel every single day, but still want to maximize the earning potential so that if one day you do want to travel, you can spend those points on a nice vacation to somewhere like Hawaii. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is definitely for those of us out there like myself who are still trying to carve our own path in life. I mean, if it doesn't convince you enough, I actually made a video towards the end of last year where I talked about how I'm going to apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred when a new sign-up bonus comes out. So I'll definitely be in that same boat with you guys and apply for this card when that 90,000 sign-up bonus offer will come back online. And I mean, while the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the American Express Platinum card are amazing, their annual fees are just too expensive for someone like me to legitimately say that those cards are worth it. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a close second place, and I'm okay with that. Plus, when pairing the Chase Sapphire Preferred to some of the no annual credit cards within the Chase ecosystem, then you can see just how powerful this credit card can be. Such as pairing it with the likes of the Chase Freedom Flex, which is like your workhorse credit card that helps you earn a majority of your ultimate reward points via 5% rotating categories, or the Chase Freedom Unlimited, which is your flat rate card that helps mop up any point spillage that the Preferred or the Flex might spill. And while applying for a new credit card and working on completing that sign-up bonus offer can be fun and exciting, we should talk about the recommended credit score data points that will guarantee that you'll get the card. Now, because this Chase Sapphire Preferred is a mid-tier travel credit card, be sure to have a credit score of at least 700. And also, there is one rule that all credit card applicants should be wary about, and that's the 524 Chase rule. For those of you out there that aren't familiar with this rule, Chase implements a policy where if you have opened 5 or more personal credit cards across all banks in the last 24 months, Chase will automatically reject your application for a new card regardless of your credit score. That means that, for example, you in the last 24 months opened up a Capital One Saver One, Chase Freedom Flex, Chase Freedom Unlimited, Discovery Cashback, and a Citi Custom Cash. No matter how high your credit score is, you'll automatically get rejected if you apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now, there are exceptions to this rule. For instance, if you apply for a business credit card, it won't affect your 524 status. Authorized user cards from another person's personal card opened within the last 24 months will temporarily affect your 524 status, but may reject you during your application, but you can call the reconsideration line and ask for these accounts to not be considered. Alright, so throughout this video, I've been talking to you and explaining everything that you need to know about the Chase Sapphire Preferred before you apply, except the unlimited points redemption potential. So let's wrap up this video by showing that potential. So here's the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. You can have a variety of options here that you can choose from, like travel, gift cards, dining, cashback, but these options are the general 1 cent per point. And if you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, these values all increase by 25% due to its own perk. Through this portal, you can also earn additional points shopping at recognizable retailers like Nike, Ulta, and Samsung. But while these redemption ways are fine, let me show you the world of transfer partners. Boom! In the heart of Tokyo, Japan, you can redeem 25,000 points, which by the 1 cent to 1 point ratio would be $250. But for this specific hotel, its redemption value is 6.4 cents per point. Boom! Want a relaxing vacation in Cancun that's also all-inclusive? 29,000 points, which is $290 in value, but for this specific resort, the redemption value is 2.28 cents per point. And finally, boom, the Maldives. Just got married and planning a honeymoon, but you're kind of on a budget. Oh, look at that. For a one-of-a-kind experience at 35,000 points per day, the redemption value is 2.85 cents per point. That's the power of transfer partners. Alright, that just about wraps up this video. Make sure to capitalize on the Chase Sapphire Preferred's new sign-up bonus offer. Right now this offer is only in branch, however, history tends to repeat itself, so I can definitely see it coming online within the coming months. Thank you for watching as always. Subscribe if you want. Peace. Those of you out there that are new to the channel, hi, my name is Eric. I generally talk about everything credit card related, but more recently I've been making videos on broader financial topics, such as these videos right here. The main goal for this channel is to provide informational and meaningful financial related content that everybody everywhere can enjoy. So again, if you'd like to support that dream, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching as always. Until next time everybody, stay safe out there. Peace.